preparing some substrate that we'll put on the fire after we've finished cooking our food. So we are going to use the steaming method. Put in. You have to leave some spaces down where water will go. You don't even need much. So this is how we put them. The aim of doing this is to create a space where water will go. Remember, you have to put enough water that will be for steaming. After that, we are putting some water. We are putting water that will be used for steaming. That is enough. Water should not come on top because it will go and wet the substrate. Now, after that, mushroom growing using locally available cheap materials. So, that is done. I put it here like this. Then, so these are my banana leaves. Here, these are the banana leaves. You can see this is cotton husks. Cotton husks. So, I'm going to mix the cotton husks with the banana leaves. The cotton husks are moist. Tabula tugende. Oh, Maria. Mixing cotton husks with the banana leaves. We need to have a homogeneous mixture. So after mixing well, put here. Tosula kubanga eno mali. Eno chi? Ija nankai. Yora no tekam. Thank you, my assistant. Thank you so much, my assistant. Solo, it's good to work with you. So now, here we are. We are going to create pressure cooker conditions. And there you go. So, this is our pressure cooker. After cooking the food in the evening, we are going to put it on the fire, and we put a big stamp. By big stamp, I mean this. Let I take it. So I just put this big stamp into the fire, and tomorrow I'll find my substrate ready. So this is what I do. Yeah.